Welcome to the Dominion Energy Performance Improvement Training. Abraham Maslow once said, if you only have a hammer, you tend to see every problem as a nail. We're here to add a tool in our toolbox for training, and that is the Performance Analysis and Performance Improvement instrument that is in use for Dominion Energy. We will be focusing on using training as a performance enhancement tool. Training can be a very effective tool, and when it is designed properly, it can be used to solve performance issues. If the analysis of the event has proven that training is the most correct way to solve the performance issue. Performance analysis is conducted for training requests stemming from observed performance deficiencies in the plant. Like needs analysis, performance analysis must first determine if training is the right solution to the deficiency. Do workers lack specific knowledge or skills required to perform tasks correctly? Dominion uses the Performance Analysis Performance Improvement Instrument process to document these activities. This class is designed to help you improve your skill in this area. Dominion Energy Procedure TRAA 100 Analysis guides us in this process. Please ensure that you have a copy of TRAA 100 Analysis available for use. Our first stop is the Training Request and Needs Analysis on Attachment 1. What is a needs analysis? A needs analysis is a systematic process for identifying the appropriate actions and interventions, including training, in response to various data sources, such as changes to plant equipment, procedure changes, operating experience, human resource requirements, performance deficiencies, etc. Please turn to Attachment 1 of TRAA 100. The training request and needs analysis of Attachment 1. The first part is going to be explaining the training request review. Here, we're going to explain what we need out of the training. The first part is explaining the need for training, value added, and potential consequences of doing nothing. Remember, this is a three-part question. You need to explain why we need to have the training, you need to explain the value added, and you have to put the potential consequences of doing nothing. Who is our target population? Is it going to be everyone in a shop? Is it everyone who just has a certain qualification? The training department needs to know who they're going to be training. And if anyone other than the target population, if anyone outside the group that you are looking at might need this training, the training department needs to know that also. And very importantly, will this have an impact on an existing qualification? This is going to help the training department decide how quickly they're going to have to develop this training if it's going to impact a qualification. If you are a supervisor, you will determine if the request is valid. It's valid if the training request does not duplicate another request and it clearly represents an issue that could be addressed through training intervention. Examples of conditions that would prompt a valid training request include new pieces of equipment, changes to procedures or company policy, or an observed performance deficiency. For our purposes, we have decided that training is the answer and it is in response to an observable performance deficiency. The form then is going to take us into the next step in the process. The next step in the process is the performance analysis. The performance analysis is broken into several steps. Those steps are performance analysis, the cause analysis and intervention selection, recommended actions, the performance improvement instrument, and that's going to be for training actions only, approvals, and then training effectiveness reviews.